Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain Chapter 10 Natural Resources. Resources are the things that we can use. For example, money, machines, and land. Next is natural resources. All the natural things we use are our natural sources. Example, air, water, soil, plants, animals, etc. Now let's learn about forest and grasslands. Forest and grasslands help us in many ways. They give us wood and grasses to make paper. They also give us timber, medicines, etc. Forest and grasslands are the natural home of animals. They maintain the balance of gases in the air. They also protect the soil from erosion. The roots of plants hold the soil firmly and stop it from being washed away or blown away. Next topic is wildlife. It means all the organisms living in their natural surroundings. So, it includes all organisms living in forest, grasslands, oceans, lakes, etc. Let's learn about endangered and extinct animals. First of all, endangered. When very few of a particular kind of organism are left in a place or in the world is called endangered. For example, the tiger is endangered in India and in the world. Extinct. When an organism vanishes or disappeared from a place or from the world, it is known as extinct. Example, cheetah is extinct in India. Now let's study about rocks. Rocks are of three basic types. They are igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Igneous rocks are the oldest rocks. They formed when the top layer of the molten earth cooled millions of years ago. Igneous means something connected with fire. Igneous rocks, example, granite, it is used for building material. Next is sedimentary rocks. Many layers of sediments form at the bottom of the lakes and seas are formed by the rock particles are carried by rainwater and rivers. These sediments get pressed together form sedimentary rocks. Example, sandstone and limestone. Sandstone is used for building while limestone is used for making lime. Metamorphic rocks. When igneous or sedimentary rocks get buried underground, they sometimes change into completely different rocks. This is because of the pressure and the heat inside the earth. New rocks formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks are called metamorphic rocks. Example, marble and slate. These two metamorphic rocks used for building. Next topic is metals and non-metals. Rocks are made up of metals and non-metals. Usually, these substances are mixed up together. So, it is very difficult to take out any one of metal or non-metal from rocks. But some rocks have a lot of a particular metal or non-metal. We call such rocks ores. Let's study about metals. Copper, tin, and aluminium are some useful metals. Gold and silver are called precious metals. Steel is made from iron. Brass and bronze are made by mixing together copper and other metals. Mixture of metals are called alloys. Now we can study about non-metals. Phosphorus, sulfur, and carbon are three important non-metals. Phosphorus burns very easily, so it is used to make matches. It is very important for the growth of plants. We also need phosphorus for strong teeth and bones. We get phosphorus from milk, fish, meat, eggs, and pulses. Sulfur is another non-metal. It is used to make medicines, matches, fireworks, etc. Carbon is also a non-metal. Coal and graphite are forms of carbon. All non-metals do not come from rocks. For example, oxygen and nitrogen are the most important non-metals come from the air. Let's learn about soil. Plants draw water and minerals from the soil. Many small animals like worms and microorganisms live in the soil. Soil is made up of mostly rock particles. The breaking down of rocks is called weathering. Rocks become weak and crack because of daily heating and cooling. Fuels. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the fuels. Fuels give us most of the energy we need. It is used to drive vehicles, run factories, make electricity, and cook food, etc. Next is coal. It is a kind of sedimentary rock. It was formed from plants that died and got buried millions of years ago. Coal is dug out from mines. Petroleum and natural gas are often found together under the rocks. Petroleum is a dark, sticky liquid. It is purified in factories called refineries. The things we get from petroleum are petrol, kerosene, petroleum gas, grease, and diesel. Petroleum is used to make medicines, plastics, wax, and cosmetics. Next is air. All living beings use oxygen to breathe, and plants use carbon dioxide to make food. We use oxygen to burn fuels. Next is water. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, watering the plants, etc. The water stored underground is called groundwater. We can use fresh water from lakes, ponds, rivers, and groundwater. We cannot use the salty water of the seas. That is all for today. Children, read the chapter properly. Thank you.